Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Mazda BT50 DX Freestyle cab. Stock reference number 5451. The shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 9th month 2011. It has a WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-drive transmission. WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, factory tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right guard appears to have no damage. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, Sony aftermarket media player, and the rear seats.